Learn with Zara, an educational channel.
Hi kids and parents! Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will learn the difference between this and that. So let's start the adventure. Are you ready? Yay! This is something that is near to us. So you can see the apple is near to the boy. So we will use this. So the boy can say, "This is an apple." Now that is something far from us. Like you can see, the apple is far from the boy. So we will use that. So the boy can say, "That is an apple." That is an apple. Let us look at some examples. That is the car. This is the car. So now you know meaning of this and that. We'll have a quick summary of it. Do you understand, kids? Let's see. This, something near. That, something far.